Oh, hey, I'm Stephen Edward. I'm with one of the most successful brokerages in Detroit real estate, Berkshire Hathaway Home Services, the Loft Warehouse. You may also know me from the TV hit show. No, I'm not on any TV hit show. I started in real estate back in 2007, flipping houses. And I've never flipped a house in my life, but I'm a hands-on, just go out there and get it done. I attacked my first house in Ferndale, Michigan. Now I have to say, I hired a real estate agent to help me find a house. But I was asking questions about property taxes, the value of the property, what's it going to be when I flip it and I put these finishes in it. And the real estate agent did not have the answers, didn't know anything. So I fired him. And I made it a point at that moment that I'm going to get my real estate license and I am going to be the best real estate agent that I could possibly be. So from that point forward, I continued flipping houses, but as the economy started coming back, I started doing more and more sales and meeting all these great people. So I started doing sales in St. Clair Shores, Royal Oak, Ferndale, Birmingham, Roseville. Eventually it led me to Detroit, where there's huge opportunity. And I started meeting investors and developers and people from overseas. This has given me the opportunity to work with some fantastic companies. We work with Bedrock, we work with the Roxbury Group, the Platform Group, Saxy, all the major developers in the Detroit real estate market. My point in me telling you this is I want you to know who you're dealing with. You're dealing with a deal-making, problem-solving agent. That's what I do. I will fight tooth and nail for you to get your deal closed. I will get you the highest dollar for your property because I know the market, I study it, I can prove it with the numbers. I am not just your typical agent. I've been in it hands-on from day one. If you're looking for an agent that's going to take your property seriously and get you top dollar, I'm that guy. Again, my name's Stephen Edward from Berkshire Hathaway Home Services, the Loft Warehouse. The Detroit real estate market is an exciting time. It's fun, and I love doing it. I love helping people. If you want a rockstar agent on your side, definitely reach out to me. I would love to represent you as one of my clients.